Hi.
Hi guys. You don't need your jumper today. You gonna hold the camera?
Yeah.
What's today?
Monday. That means it's news day today.
Monday, yeah. What does Monday mean? What's today in Monday terms?
Go to
Where were
school.
At school.
Yeah.
It's our first day back at school.
Yeah.
Excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. You gonna have a good day?
Yeah. Bye bye. Today I'm going to have news.
Yeah, you do.
And it's going to be a very, very long one. Hey, Mama.
You alright?
Yeah.
Sling on.
Mum, does my stop look good?
Yes.
My cat.
Yes, it looks fine. Yeah. Can you remember what else you're going to be doing today?
What?
Can you remember what else you'll be doing today? What are you going to do at school?
We're going on a trip.
Yeah, this afternoon.
And can you stay here for a little while?
Not this morning.
Why not?
No, you'll get sick of me this afternoon, won't you?
No, I like it sick of you. I like it when you at school.
Oh. Well, I'll walk you in, but I won't be staying.
Oh, can you talk to my teacher about it?
No, I'm not staying, Celine.
That's not my teacher.
No, you got a brother and sister that I have to go home to, and a dog that needs walking. Sorry, sweetheart. You're a big girl. You don't need mummy at school. And you'll see me this afternoon anyway, just after lunch.
See?
Yeah, you'll see me just after lunch. I've got to take you in for the trip.
See? Aww. I don't want to do any more scenes.
What scenes? See. You will see me. Not seen. Your play's over. No more of that. Not this year.
Does that mean I'm not Papa Hut anymore?
I think you do have kepahaka. I don't think that stops, but you don't have any performing. No, unless it's just for the school.
Size.
Hey, I hooked the slide on. They're busy rolling the ball down. No, don't do that, Danny, or you'll drop it. Nah. Oh well, so much for that idea. Let's fix it. There we go. No, no climbing on it. Won't hold you. Woo! There went a Daddy's face. Where's Daddy's ball? No, Blake. No. Oh, you want up, do you? Swing. Oh, you're wet. She decided to climb into the pool. Aye. Oh, now you're climbing up, are you? This is the second outfit. This one's soaked. You want to get down? You want to swing? No, you can't play the ball and swing at the same time. You got to hold on. Well, then you're getting down. There you go. I moved the gym. Got the pool over there now. And the tramps there. Kind of clears up our yard a little. Really? How do you expect to swing and hold on? You can't. Oh, I don't know about that, Daddy. See? You gotta hold on. You gotta hold on. Okay, she's doing it. You got. Whee! That was a spectacular fall. You okay? And she's more concerned about her ball. No! Yeah, you pulled it down. I need to find something permanent to hook that thing on. Hey! Hey, don't push her out. Back to school and already on a trip. Today we're going to go see Stephen's transport. Hey, you gotta wait for your class. You wait outside for class. You can't go in yet.
There's 6 people sitting here, so it gets very busy when we're all here at work. That's why we've got these little partitions between the two.
Right, so the truck, that's number 7, just like that one.
That photo there is taken where we are right now. There used to be there was an old house here and it was all moved away, and the loader there with the trucks carrying the section. See the iron shed there? That's the back of that wall.
So this was.
Lots of cameras, eh, Celine?
Yeah. There's 15 trucks in Hastings and there's 44 trucks in total. How often do you think it's coming? And how often? Depending on
Woo! Stupid question.
The winner's coming this way. Oh my god. I thought he might hold on to it as well.
It's already going.
What can I see?
that trailer's getting rebuilt. Bands? We don't, but you can do it. That one there going past it. Hey? Yep, that's right, it was. No, it wasn't that one. One just like that. Wow! Hey?
Good driving.
Two of those.
Okay, honey, down you come. And I said Michael C. showing the way
That's
the
up.
way.
There, boys. Oh, okay. Yep.
You've got 2 phones.
So patiently.
She's got.
No, this is Celine's mum's phone.
Right, Michael. Lovely manners. I hope you've said thank you.
No, honey, I'll just go give the phone back.
Do I hear thank yous when you come down?
Thanks.
Okay, Mike.
G, E, G,
Gently.
gently. Rat, a, teacup,
No.
tail
Mm.
around my finger. I'll
What
have
sound does the PH make?
phone your mum.
Good girl.
Maya went to the stores.
Doctor.
Doctors and Lucy went
Under.
under her bed. Come out, Lucy, said Mum. I want to give you a hug. No! Stomped Lucy.
Sobbed, not stomped.
Sobbed Lucy. I don't want a hug. It was an accident, said Mum. I don't want to tell.
Let's not tell.
I said kill.
No. Read the letters properly.
I don't want to tell.
Does talc make any sense?
I said take.
No, it's not take. Talk. Good girl.
About it, said Lucy.
Hi guys, and thanks for watching. We're ending our vlog there for today. If you enjoyed our video, please give it a thumbs up. If you think there was something important in our video to share, please feel free to share it. Perthes disease is an important disease to learn about, and there are so many people with it and not a lot of information out there. So if there's something out in our videos that is helpful for you, welcome to share it. Otherwise, catch you tomorrow. Bye.